In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Hostinger to GoDaddy if you're moving your domain from one registrar to another. The process is usually straightforward, but it helps to know exactly where to click and what to expect. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the transfer process from the Hostinger side so you can get everything started smoothly and then continue with the prompts shown on your screen. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Make sure you're in the main account area where your hosting and domain management options are visible. This is the starting point for accessing the transfer tools and making sure you're working with the correct domain. Once you're inside your account, click on Domains. This section is where Hostinger keeps all domain-related settings and actions in one place. If you manage more than one domain, take a moment to confirm that you're working with the correct one before moving forward. That small check can help avoid confusion later in the process. After that, click Transfers. This is the area designed for domain transfer actions. Depending on the layout of your dashboard, it may appear in the main navigation or inside the domain management section. Just look for the option labeled Transfers and open it. Here, enter the domain you want to transfer. Be careful to type the domain correctly, including the exact spelling and extension, since even a small typo can point to the wrong name or cause the transfer to fail. It's a good idea to double-check what you entered before continuing. Then, click Transfer and simply follow the prompts on your screen. Hostinger will guide you through the remaining steps needed to begin the transfer. These prompts may include confirmation screens, eligibility checks, or other domain-related instructions that help ensure the transfer request is properly submitted. As you go through the on-screen instructions, read each page carefully and complete every required action before moving on. If a message appears asking you to review details, take a moment to make sure everything looks correct. Transfers can take some time to process, so don't worry if it isn't completed instantly. And that's it. Once you've opened your Hostinger account, gone to Domains, selected Transfers, entered the domain you want to move, and clicked Transfer, the rest is a matter of following the guided steps on screen. If you follow the process carefully, you'll be on your way to transferring your domain from Hostinger to GoDaddy with much less guesswork.